per the words of Euclid, the laws of the nature are the mathematical thoughts of God. Mathematics is everywhere in this universe. We enjoy nature and are not interested in going deep what mathematical idea is in it. Mathematics is the study of topics such as structure, space, and change. Nature has a beautiful way of using. When we look around, the rainbows, river meanders, and the shadows to spider webs, honeycombs, and the markings on animal coats, the plants, and the trees. The visible world is full of patterns that can be described mathematically. Here are a very few properties of mathematics that are depicted in nature. Geometry is a branch of mathematics that describes shapes. In nature, we can observe different geometrical patterns. These patterns in nature can be seen as symmetry, spirals, waves, spots, stripes, crystals, etc. Spirals. Spirals are common in plants and in some animals like molluscs, and it is arranged in a logarithmic spiral. Plant spirals can be seen in phyllotaxis, the arrangement of leaves on a stem, and the arrangement of other parts, as in composite flower heads, seed heads like sunflower, or fruit structures like pineapple and snake fruit. Now, let us see about the spheres in nature. One beautiful mathematical formation found in nature is the perfect sphere. A perfect sphere is defined as being completely symmetrical around its center. Sun is the most perfect round natural object in the entire universe. Earth is referred as a sphere, but it is not a perfect one. Bubbles, water drops, planets, and atoms are included in spheres. Polygon is a plane figure that is bounded by a closed path composed of a finite sequence of straight line segments. Numerous regular polygons are seen in nature. The flowers and leaves that form triangle. The stone is of quadrilateral, five-sided lady's finger. The most famous hexagon in nature are found in the animal kingdom, the honeycomb. Flowers or fruits, decagon. Spirals, spheres, and polygons are some of geometrical shapes which is present everywhere in nature. Geometry is more than just a chapter in a mathematical book. It explains why nature and life on earth exist. Keep an eye out. Max is everywhere.